Good morning mga kabayan, it's Saturday. We will do a little makeover for the apple tree. You see, there is a brown leaves in different areas of the branches. We will make a little makeover mga kabayan. And we will see the final result after we have done a makeover. And you will judge mga kabayan if it's okay or not okay. Please drop down after we reveal the makeover. After the makeover mga kabayan, do you see any change? Is it better than a while ago? Please comment mga kabayan. And I'm happy for this apple tree on the pot, one of the apple trees.